All right, so once again, good morning, everybody, and welcome to our English class, okay? So for today's lesson, we will have a story about the lazy kitten, okay? But before that, let's sing a song first, okay? I want everybody to please stand up. Okay, everybody, please stand up. Let's sing a song together, okay? Stand up. Stand up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, good job. Now let's sing the action word song, okay? Just watch me or just follow me. Stand up. Okay, here we go. 1, 2, and 3.
Stomp your feet. Stomp, stomp, stomp your feet. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Swing, swing, swing your arms. Dance everybody and sing with me. Dance everybody and sing with me. Na, 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 I'm so happy. Oh, so happy. Sing with me.
One more time.
Jump around. Jump, jump, jump around. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Touch the sky and touch the ground. Shake, shake, shake your hips. Shake, shake, shake your hips. I know a song and it goes like this. I know a song and it goes like this. Na, 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 I'm so happy.
Okay, sit down, please. Everybody, please sit down. Okay. All right, so kids, like I said earlier, for today, we will have a storytelling, and the story is all about the lazy kitten. Okay. All right, so let's try to see what is the story all about, okay, or what is the content of the story. Okay, Now open your book on the first page. All right, so let's start, kids. So on the first page, there are 9 kittens are sleeping. All right, now let's try to count the cats or the kitten, okay? So we have kitten number 1, kitten number 2, kitten number 3, kitten number 4, kitten number 5, kitten number 6, kitten number 7, kitten number 8, and kitten number 9. Okay, Martin. Martin, how many kittens are there? How many kittens are there? 9. Can you count? Can you count the 9 kittens? Can you count?
1 ดัง 1
2 5 6 7 8 9
Yeah, very good. So there,
ไม่มี10ลูกมีแค่
no, not 10, but only
9
okay.
อยู่ไหนอ่ะ
9 kitten
ไม่ใช่เต็มแล้วเลย
ดี
What about?
ๆผู้ถามทำดี
Okay, Lisa.
มาชิมแหละ
ๆเอ๊ะมาติน
Lisa, it's your turn.
มาตินนั่งดีๆได้ไหมคุณครูดูอยู่
ที่สุดแปลงเลย
Oh,
ที่แปลงแล้ว
I am sorry, kids. Teacher Maria was disconnected because of.
เอามาเอาไป
All right.
ครูมาแล้ว
I am. All right. So, Lisa, it's your turn. How many kittens are there?
Lisa, how many kittens? 9. Answer teacher. Answer teacher.
Can you count the kittens for me?
Okay. 1. Count first. How many? I put up. 1, 2. Okay. 3, 4. Louder. 5, 6. Louder. 10. Hey, 7. Okay. And
7, you're missing 2 numbers.
8 and 9.
9. Okay. Thank you.
Nine.
All right. So there are 9 kittens. And Chirping. Chirping, what are the colors of the kitten? Chirping, what are the colors of the kitten? What are the colors? Okay, what are the colors?
เอาwhat are the colors จะเป็นตอบ
เราด้วย
กี่ตัวตอบ what color
นับไม่กี่ตัว
English
จะเป็นการ
Yes, we have black, we have pink, we have green, we have red, we have orange, we have white, we have blue kittens, okay? All right, now turn your book to the next page, page number 2. Okay, on page number 2, meow, meow. A kitten wakes up. How many kittens are sleeping? Oh, okay. So how many kittens are sleeping? Putawan. Putawan. How many kittens are sleeping? Oh, Percy, good morning. 8, very good. So there are there are 8 kittens are sleeping. And how many kitten wakes up? How many kitten wakes up? One kitten. Very good, Putawan. So there are 8 kittens are sleeping, and then 1 kitten wakes up. Okay. And what is the color of the kitten that wake up? Percy, what is the color of the kitten that wake up?
Green.
Green. Very good. Okay, thank you. Okay, turn your book to the 3rd page. All right, on the 3rd page, 8 kittens are sleeping. 1 kitten is missing. Oh, wow. Percy, how many kittens are sleeping? Percy, how many kittens are sleeping?
9, 10,
No.
4.
Again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and
8.
8. Very good. So there are 8 kittens are sleeping. And how many kitten is missing?
How many kittens missing?
How many
Okay.
kitten is missing?
1.
1. And what was the color of the kitten that is missing?
1.
What color?
Green.
Green. Very good. So there are 8 kittens are sleeping. 1 is missing, which is the color green. Very good, Percy. Good job. Okay, next. Next page, class. Meow, meow. 2 kittens wake up. How many kittens are sleeping? Kaishin. Kaishin, it's your turn. Can you turn on your microphone? Kaishin, how many cats are sleeping?
Đấy, mi mèoตัวไหนหลับบ้างนับดิ one
1,
2
2,
3
3, 4, 5, 6.
6
Very good. So there are 6 kittens are sleeping. And how many kittens are waking up or wake up?
wake up ใครสินับ one แล้วก็
2,
บอก teacher ชื่อ
2.
2. Very good. And what are the colors of the 2 kittens that are awake?
ไหนทีนี้สีอะไรสีอะไรคะ นี่แมวนี่
อันนี้
นี่ครับนี่เย็นเย็นล่ะสีเหลืองเย็นอะไรเย็น yellow and อันนี้ brown
อันนี้คือ
Brown. Very good. Good job. Okay, now turn your book to the next page. 6 kittens are sleeping. 3 kittens are missing. Oh, Namo. Namo, it's your turn. Oh, that connection was so bad. Connection is so slow. Okay, there you go. All right, Namo. Namo, how many kittens are sleeping? Namo, how many kittens are sleeping? Okay, who wants to answer? Who wants to answer? You can turn on your mic. How many kittens are sleeping? What about Sharpang? Chirping. How many kittens are sleeping? Very good, Lisa. Good job. And how many kittens are missing? How many kittens are missing? Three. Very good. So 6 kittens are sleeping and then 3 kittens are missing. All right. Now turn your book to the next page. Okay, hold on. Oh, okay, this page is on the other page, class. All right. Meow, meow. 3 kittens wake up. How many kittens are sleeping? First, be first. First, are you there? Okay, now everybody, everyone, turn on your microphone, please. Everybody turn on your microphone. How many kittens are awake? 3, very good. And how many kittens are sleeping? How many kittens are sleeping? 3, very good. So there are 3 kittens sleeping. And how many kittens are missing? How many kittens are missing? 3, very good. So 3 kittens missing, and then 3 kittens are sleeping, and 3 kittens are awake or waking up. Okay, very good. Next. 3 kittens are sleeping, 6 kittens are missing. Okay, anyone can answer this, okay? You can turn on your microphone. Any one of you can answer. How many kittens are sleeping right now? How many kittens are sleeping? So there are 3, very good. So there are 3 kittens are missing. And how many kittens, or 3 kittens are sleeping, and how many kittens are missing? How many kittens are missing? How many kittens are missing, class? Anyone? Anyone? 6, very good. So 6 kittens are missing and 3 kittens are sleeping. Okay, next. How many kittens are awake? And how many kittens are sleeping? How many kittens are sleeping? 1. Okay. And how many kittens are awake or waking up?
2 awake.
How many kittens are awake? 2. And how many kittens are missing? How many kittens are missing?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
6. Very good, Percy. So there are 6 kittens are missing. 2 kittens are awake or waking up. And 1 kitten is still sleeping. Okay, next. How many kittens is sleeping right now? How many kitten is sleeping right now? 1 kitten. How many kitten are missing?
นี่ number อะไร
How many kitten are missing?
how many are missing
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and 4, 7, 8.
8. Okay, good job. So there are 8 kittens are missing and 1 kitten is sleeping. Okay, next. How many kittens are missing? How many kitten is looking around? How many kittens are missing?
ฮะ
1.
Missing? How many kittens are missing? 8. Okay, very good. And how many kittens are looking around? Looking around. 1. Okay.
โอ้โห
Kitten is missing. How many kitten is missing right now? 9. So there are 9 kittens are missing. How many kittens are sleeping? How many kittens are sleeping? 0. Okay. How many kittens are awake? How many kittens are awake? How many kittens are awake in this picture? That's 0. Okay. Where are the 9 kittens? What do you think? Where are they? Where are they? What do you think? Okay, let me try to ask Chirping. Chirping, where do you think the 9 kittens? Where are they? Where are they? Oh, okay, let's see. Lisa, where do you think are the 9 kittens? What do you think?
With a mommy.
With the mommy? Okay, let's try to see later. What about Percy? What do you think or where do you think 9 kittens go? Where are they?
where kids are
Hungry.
ไม่รู้อะ Okay, let's try to find out on the next page, but I will ask your friends first, okay? Putawan, where are the 9 kittens? What do you think? Where are they? Where are the 9 kittens? What do you think? Do you think they go to their mom? Okay, let's try to find out. What about Kaishin? Kaishin, where are the 9 kittens? What do you think? Where they go?
แม่ก็ไปเวท
แมวไปเวทเกต
What do you think? Do you think they take a shower? Do you think they go to school? Okay, what about Martin? Martin, where do you think Or where are the 9 kittens? What do you think?
นี่ไปไหนแมวไปไหนหมดแล้วเจ้าตัวแมวไปไหนลูกไปเล่นข้างนอกเนาะ
ไปเล่นข้างนอก
go outside
go outside
Go outside. Okay, let's see. Namo. Namo. Where are the 9 kittens? Oh, Namo is missing now. Namo is missing. One cat is missing, which is Namo. Okay, so let's try to see where are the 9 kittens, okay? 1, 2, and 3. Oh, I found it. The 9 kittens and a mother are very happy family. So the 9 kittens are missing because they drink milk. They went to their mother cat. So let's try to count the cat one more time, okay? Let's see if it's still 9 kittens. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. So there are 9 kittens. Okay, K-I-T-T-E-N-S. So there are 9 kittens. Kittens are small or baby cat. And then 1 mother cat. 1 mother cat. M-O-T-H-E-R and then C-A-T. So overall, there are 10 cats. Okay, so 9 cat plus 1 cat is equals to 10 cats. Okay, Percy, how many kittens are there? How many kittens are there?
9
9 kittens. And how many mother cats?
1
Okay. How many cats overall? How many cats in total? How many cats in total? Overall, how many cats do you see?
all of them
oh
How many cats are there?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10
10. Very good. So there are 9 cats total. Very good. All right. So good job, kids. Now let's go back to the first page, okay? All right. So in first page, how many cats are sleeping again? How many cats are sleeping? Everybody turn on your microphone, please.
9
Okay,
Oh my
9
God.
kittens.
มาได้ไหนแม่
Next, how many kittens are sleeping in this picture?
อันนี้ก็เป็น sleeping ค่ะเขาจะอีกเจอ
How many kittens are sleeping?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9
8. And how many cats are awake? Or how many cats wake up? Waking up.
10
how many
1
1. Okay. Next, how many cats are sleeping?
1 2 3 4
I think
8. Okay. How many cats is missing?
นี่เลขอะไร
How many cats is missing? One. Okay. How many cats are awake? How many cats are awake?
Wait. แม่ตุ่นกี่ตัวแล้วใช่ไหม
Wait, how many?
Wait.
How many?
How many?
Is it 3? No, it's not 3.
ไม่ได้ตาตีพิ้งเลย
How many cats? One.
1 2
Two. Two cats are awake. And how many cats are sleeping?
จะเป็นไม่ใช่
เท่าไหร่
How many cats are sleeping? So there are 6. Okay, next. How many cats are sleeping?
1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1
6.
2 3 4
Okay.
5
How many cats are missing? How many cats are missing?
มีกี่เนี่ย
Yes, one.
1 2
3. Good job. How many cats are awake? How many cats are awake?
3
Wait.
1 2 3
3. How many cats are sleeping?
1.
1 2 3
How many cats are missing?
One.
1 2 3
3. Very good. How many cats are sleeping right now?
1
Okay. How many cats are missing? How many cats are missing?
1 2 3 4 5 6
6. Very good. How many cats are awake? How many cats are awake?
1 2
Very good. 2. How many cats is
จะ
sleeping?
ว่าตัวนี้จะคนนี้จะ
How
ตัว
many
นี้
cats are sleeping?
1
Very good. How many cats are missing?
Missing.
1 2 3 4 5 6
6. Very good. How many cats are sleeping?
1
1. How many cats are awake? 0. How many cats are missing right now?
1
How many cats are missing?
4 5 6 1 here
6? Is it 6?
Are you sure?
Sure.
Wow.
No, I don't think
ทุก
so.
คน
I don't think it's 6.
คนอะอยากให้ทุกคน
And can you count again? Let's see.
Yes.
1 2 3
Is it 7? Is it 7? Yes or no? No. Is it 8? Is it 8?
8
Yes, that's 8. Good job. Okay. All right. So I think that's all for today, class, about the lazy kitten. And before we end our lesson, let's sing the goodbye song, okay? Everybody,
Goodbye
2 and 3. Here.
Goodbye
Okay, let's sing the goodbye song.
again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again. Goodbye, goodbye, see you, my friends. Goodbye, goodbye, see you again.
Okay, see you again next time, student. Thank you, class.
Bye.
Thank you. And goodbye. See you tomorrow in our safari class. See you tomorrow. Bye-bye. And have a great day.